Hello, guys. I welcome you all in our Paradise Happiness YouTube channel. Today, our topic for discussion is what Reiki exactly is and how it works. What are the benefits of Reiki? The answer is Reiki is a very simple and wonderful process by which we create a self-awareness, and by the way we get connected to the higher vibrational energy, that is the divine energy. Reiki is the universal life force energy and which is available everywhere in the universe. Since the universe has been created, it is available for each and every one on the earth. Reiki promotes healing. Reiki is a hands-off healing technique, so it promotes healing. It reduces your stress level, anxiety, depression, or any kind of mental illness. It gives you relaxation and a restful sleep. Once we start a Reiki meditation, we go in such a deep subconscious mind where we get connected to the divinity, and automatically we start getting answers to our questions or our problems from the divinity. Thus, we start resolving our problems very easily. Reiki dissolves any kind of energy blockages inside us. It increases the energy flow in our all body chakras. By learning and practicing Reiki, we keep ourselves in a full of positive state and energetic state all the time. Reiki gives us comfort, a clear vision. With the help of Reiki, we develop our self-confidence and a good decision-making power also. Reiki works amazingly in any kind of chronic physical illness. Exactly, any kind of chronic disease can be healed by Reiki along with the medicinal therapy. Reiki can be given on any non-living as well as living things. That is, examples for living beings is human being, plants, animals, birds, etc. And for non-living things, Reiki can be given to any non-living thing. For example, house, office, or vehicle, train, aeroplane, computer, anywhere. It works profoundly. Reiki always works positively and wonderfully. Reiki can be given to self, to others, by means of touch healing as well as by means of distance healing also. Though it is a hands-on technique, energy can be reached anywhere from us in this universe. Reiki is more beneficial for pregnant ladies, infertility cases, or we can say students, children, any kind of mental diseased patient, the physical diseased patient. For example, cancer also can be treated by the Reiki treatment. In the foreign countries, this Reiki treatment is an alternative and equivalent to the medicinal therapy given in the hospitals also. So it's an alternative medicinal therapy which works wonderfully, wonderfully, wonderfully. I just love doing Reiki healing and teaching this Reiki healing to the people. So friends, you also start practicing learning Reiki and keep yourself always healthy and in a balanced state. If you like this video, please give your comments, like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.